Hey, gearheads, welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best forecast dash cam that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer. Whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature, links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Mash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance. Number 6.
In our list, the number 6 product name is Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam. The Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam is my go-to for seamless, smart driving protection. Compact enough to hide discreetly behind my rear view mirror, it records in crisp 1080, full HD with a 135-deg wide angle, capturing every detail of the road ahead. Moreover, the unlimited cloud backup ensures I never lose important footage. Whether it's a sudden break or a minor collision, critical clips are automatically saved and accessible via the Nexar app for complete peace of mind. What I love most is the seamless phone integration. The app streams live footage and allows me to multitask. Using navigation apps while it runs in the background, plugging in my phone keeps battery life in check during long drives. Pros: compact design, discreet and easy to mount. Unlimited cloud storage for incident recordings. 24/7 parking mode for extra protection. Intuitive app with live streaming and easy clip access. Cons: requires a smartphone connection to operate. Subscription fee applies after the first year.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 has impressed me with its compact design and powerful features. Despite its tiny size, it captures crisp 1080 video with a 140-degree field of view, ensuring I don't miss any details on the road. Its built-in GPS also adds an extra layer of functionality by tracking my location during recording. Additionally, the parking monitor feature is a game changer, providing added security when my car is parked. The voice control function lets me easily save videos or start recording without needing to touch the device, making it incredibly user-friendly. Moreover, it offers flexible mounting options, including both suction cup and adhesive mounts, so I can position it however works best for me. Pros: compact and unobtrusive design. Voice control for hands-free operation. Built-in GPS for location tracking. Cons: limited to 1080 resolution, no 4K option. Some advanced features require a paid subscription.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Cobra SC 400D Dashcam. The Cobra SC 400D Dashcam is my go-to choice for top-tier video quality and advanced features that keep me safe and informed on the road. With stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, I capture every detail of my journey, whether it's day or night, from both the front and rear of my vehicle. Additionally, the 3-view capability lets me add an optional cabin view camera, ensuring a comprehensive view of everything happening inside and outside my car. It's perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone wanting extra coverage. What's more, the built-in Alexa and heads-up navigation features make my drive smoother. I get turn-by-turn notifications on the 3 without switching apps on my phone. Pros: stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution for detailed recording. Alexa integration and heads-up navigation for convenience. Live police alerts and Drive Smarter app enhance safety. Mayday alerts and incident reporting provide emergency support. Remote live view for added security. Cam view camera sold separately. Hardwire setup required for remote live view.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Vantrue N43 Dash Cam. The Vantrue N43 channel dash cam is my ultimate all-in-one solution for total vehicle coverage. With its 3-channel design, it monitors the front, rear, and interior of my car simultaneously in high resolutions of 1440p, 1080p. This gives me peace of mind whether I'm driving, parked, or... Additionally, the 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera deliver stunning clarity, capturing every detail on the road. The rear camera's 360D adjustability and 20-foot extension cable make it versatile for any vehicle type, from sedans to trucks. Moreover, the infrared night vision is exceptional. Thanks to its Starvis CMOS sensor and IR LED lights, it records clear videos even in complete darkness, ensuring safety for both drivers and passengers. And it completes Pro's triple channel recording for full coverage, 4K and 1080p resolutions with adjustable rear camera, infrared night vision for cabin clarity and low light, 24-hour parking mode with multiple triggers, heat-resistant supercapacitor for extreme weather. Cons: no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity. Yeah, GPS.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Miofive Cam Zone Ultra. The Miofive Cam Zone Ultra is my go-to for crystal clear 4K plus 4K dual recording. With a 140 deg front and 112 deg rear wide-angle view, it captures every detail, even in low light, thanks to its HDR technology and super night vision. Furthermore, its built-in GPS and Wi-Fi make life easy. Using the Miofive app, I can instantly access and share videos or track my car's location, speed, and route. The app is intuitive and works flawlessly with both Android and iOS. Additionally, I rely on its loop recording and G-sensor. They ensure critical footage is locked and stored securely during collisions or emergencies. For parking, its 24-hour monitoring feature has been a lifesaver. With a wiring kit sold separately, I can activate time-lapse recording to keep an eye on my vehicle around the clock. What's more, the upgraded supercapacitor ensures the dash cam performs perfectly in extreme temperatures, from scorching summers to icy winters. Pros: 4K plus 4K dual recording with HDR and night vision, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and app for easy video access, reliable 24-hour parking monitoring, durable supercapacitor for extreme conditions, wiring kit for parking mode sold separately, field of view slightly narrower on the rear camera.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is VIOFO at 229 Pro dash cam. The VIOFO at 229 Pro 4K HDR dash cam is my go-to for superior vehicle security. Equipped with dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, the front captures in 4K while the rear records in 2K, ensuring crisp, detailed footage day or night. Additionally, the HDR technology enhances both front and rear night vision, making it perfect for capturing license plates and other details in low light or high-speed scenarios. The wide dynamic range brings out more detail in challenging conditions. Furthermore, the dashcam supports 3 parking modes, offering 24/7 protection, and the hands-free voice control makes it easy to manage without distractions. Moreover, the faster 5G harness Wi-Fi connection allows seamless video sharing and configuration via the VIOFO app. The ultra-precise GPS logger tracks my vehicle's location, speed, and timestamp. Pros: 4K front and 2K rear recording with HDR for day and night clarity, and hands-free voice control and notifications. 24/7 parking mode with event detection. Accurate GPS tracking with multiple satellite systems. Cons: SD card not included, needs to be purchased separately. Rear cable is 6N with longer cables available for purchase.
Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Bye.